Hi everyone, I am Sanjay B. I completed my BE in the stream of Electronics and Communication at Taki Institute of Technology. Later, I joined the Emertxe for the embedded engineer. I'm here to say the experience of my career in the Emertxe. The courses in the Emertxe is fantastic, where all the mentors are very supportive. They will provide good teaching from the scratch. In the Emertxe, I learned many skills on programming as well as on controllers also. By the help of the mentors and on the courses, I cracked a career at LG Soft on research engineer. To crack this job, the main agenda is behind of the courses which I took in the MSc. I will thank for the mentors who are helped me and supported me to learn all the programming as well as controllers part from the scratch.